and she's only met him like once or twice. So they really don't, she was a prostitute at one point. So they really don't know each other.
The whole truth and nothing but the truth, stuff you got?
Yes.
You're Miss Jackson, correct?
Correct.
All right. Mr. Wright, I don't have the ability to check service, but I guess the other two parties have been served?
Yes, I can give you the dates on that. Sorry, I'm pulling up my spreadsheet now.
Okay.
Yes, he was served on September 22nd, or Miss Edua was served on September 22nd, and Mr. Nickleberry was served on September 11th.
Okay, go and proceed with your default.
And actually, Your Honor, today all we're asking for is a DNA order.
Oh, okay. Well, the reset date until when?
December 21st.
All right, Ms. Jackson. I guess we're doing DNA tests. Obviously, the other two parties are not here. You're not. Are you one of the parents or are you a non-parent?
I am the grandma, the non-parent.
Okay. So we'll need you to try to help us a little so that you don't have to come here multiple times if you're able to. I don't want you to endanger you if you're going to be in danger, but if you talk to the mother and father, they need to go do their DNA testing. You can take the child separately, but we need them to do their testing, at least the father, but definitely helpful if both of them would go. So if you talk to them in the meantime, since they're not here, instruct them that they need to do that. And if they have questions, they can call the Attorney General's office. The Attorney General's office is going to send out that information to their addresses or maybe through email, but they may not understand what it's for or ignore it. We need that to be done so we can verify who the father is, and that way we can maybe do a final order.
Okay.
If they can do that, then we should be able to finalize all that on December 21st. If they don't, then I may have to reset it again, and that's why I'm saying it would save you some time if you're able to do that, but I don't want to endanger you to do that.
Okay.
Right.
Can
so,
I speak with her?
Well, there's not much to talk about. What do you need?
I was going to say, she's in jail. She's probably going to be there 2 or 3 years, and
Okay.
I know him. And she's only met him like once or twice. So that's the reason why he's probably not going to submit a DNA test, because they really don't. She was a prostitute at one point. So they really don't know each other. I've had the child for 4 years, and I'm running into a dilemma to get her in daycare because I have no paperwork to help her go to pre-K or anything like that. And she's going to get kicked out of daycare in December. And my hands are tied waiting on my child, and she's in jail. I don't know what to do from here. And then I work and go to school as well. So I need some assistance or some type of paperwork saying that I can do something with this child.
I understand.
I think what we might be able to do, because she's the mother's mother, so I don't think her genetic relation to the child's really in question. And I think maybe do a temporary order just establishing conservatorship.
We could do that.
Okay.
Let's do sole managing.
Okay. And
right.
We'll reserve visitation, everything else for a final.
Yeah, let's do that. All right. So I'm gonna do an additional order that you're the conservator to decide where the child lives. I'm not doing any other orders regarding visitation or child support or anything else because we don't have the DNA test results back. So we need to get that done first, but that at least should help you with what you need here so that you can get the child enrolled or whatever other issues you may have. Okay.
Thank you.
All right. All right. We'll see you on December 21st. You can log off by pressing leave on the Zoom. Thank you.
Thank you.
But the bottom line is, this is one of those speak now, forever hold your peace moment in life. If you do not ask for the DNA test today and you go ahead and get a final order, you're locked in by that final order. I've had over the years several orders that turned out years later not to be correct because dad turned out not to be dad. And unfortunately for dad, there's nothing I can undo. I can't get your money back. I can't undo the time that's been going on. And technically, I can't, if you did not pay that in full, you still owe that money because it was a court order that found you are the father or at that time, and and that court order was valid, and it's still valid until it's dismissed, and the amount, anything under that order is still valid, so you would still owe the unpaid child support, even though the child is not yours. So again, you don't have to ask for one, but it's always a good idea to ask for it and get it done. That way you at least eliminate that that problem popping up in the future. However, that's left up to you.